students, let us take some examples. Here we have to put the commas, okay, according to Indian place value system, and then we have to write the name of this number according to Indian place value system. And you know, according to Indian place value system, we are having these places: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crores. Okay, and these three places come in the ones period. These two come in the thousands period, and these two lakh, 10 lakhs come in the lakhs period, and these two come in the crores period. And how we put the comma? Yes, after completing one period, after completing this first period, we have to put the first comma. After completing next period, we have to put the next comma. And here also, after completing this lakhs period, we have to put the next comma. Okay, so here also beta, according to Indian place value system, we have to put the comma. So first comma will come after 3 digits, and then after 2 digits, and then again after 2 digits, because we are having 3 places in the ones period, and we are having 2 places in the thousands period, we are having 2 places in the lakhs period, and we are having 2 places in the crores period, but here we are having only 1 digit. Okay, now when we write the name of any number, then first put the commas and write the places also: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and crore. Okay, now how can we read? Yes, 8 comes in the crores period, so 8 crores, 75 lakhs. Means first read the number and then read the name of the period. Okay, so 75 comes in the lakhs period, so 75 lakhs. This 65 comes in thousands period, so 65 thousands, and 353. Okay, so how we write beta? 8 crores, then 75 lakhs, then 65 thousands, after that 353. Okay, 353. Okay, so like this we have to write the number. Okay, write the name of the number. Now let us take one more number. If I write here 7053437 okay, now here also first of all we have to put the comma. Okay, and then we have to write the name of this number. So according to Indian place value system, first comma will come here, means we have to leave 3 digits, and then we have to put the first comma, then we have to leave 2 digits, and then we have to leave 2 digits. Okay, and then we have to write the places: ones, tens, hundred, then thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and crores. Okay, so how can we read it beta? Yes, 7 comes in crores period, 5 comes in lakhs period, 34 comes in thousands period, and this 371 comes in ones period. So first we will write the number, okay, in that period, and then we will write the name of that period. So 7 crores, 5 lakhs. Only 5. Here we are having only 5. If here is written 50, then it means 50 lakhs. But here is written 05. Then 05 means only 5. So 5 lakhs 34,371. Right? 7 crores 5 lakhs 34 thousands 34 34,371. Okay, so like this we have to put the commas according to Indian place value system, and then we will write the name of the number. Now students, let us take one more example. Here also we have to put the commas and write the name, but here we have to put the commas according to international place value system, and then we have to write the name of this number according to international place value system. Now let us take the same example. Okay, same number. Okay, here we have to write this number according to international place value system. And you know beta, according to international place value system, we are having these places: ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million, 10 millions, 100 millions. Okay, and these three places come in the ones period. These three means 1,000, 10,000s, 100,000. These three come in the thousands period, and these three million, 10 million, 100 millions come in millions period. So according to these periods, we have to put the comma. So first comma will come after completing ones period, then after completing thousands period. Okay, so first comma will come after these three digits, and then again after these three digits, because according to international place value system, each period is having three digits. So first comma we will put after three digits, then again after three digits we will put next comma. Okay, so now first we will put the comma according to international place value system, and then we will write the places also. So here will come ones place, then tens, then 100, and now start thousands period. So here we will write thousands, then 10,000s, and then here 100,000s. Okay, and here million and 10 million. Now we will read this number. 87 comes in millions period. Here 565 comes in thousands period, and this 353 comes in ones period. Okay, so first we will read the number, okay, that is given in that period, and then we will read the name of the period. So here first we will read 87, then the name of the period. So 87 millions. 565, we will read first 565, then the name of the period. So 565 thousands, then 353. So what is the number? 87 millions 565 thousands 353. And according to this we will write also. Okay, so 87 millions, then 565 thousands, 565 thousands, and then 353. So like this we have to write the name of this number. Okay, let us take one more number. Here 753205318. Okay, here we are having one more number. Now we have to first put the commas and then write the places, and then we will write the name of this number. Okay, so first we will put the commas according to international place value system. So first comma will come after these 3 digits 1 2 3. Next comma also will come after these 3 1 2 3. Means first comma will come after ones period, then after completing thousands period. Okay, and now we will write the places: ones, tens, hundred, then thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Okay, and here will come million, 10 million, and 100 million. Okay, now you have to write the name of this number yourself. Okay,